Hello everybody and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on underground navigation will teach you where the tool is accessible and its navigation methods. The underground navigation mode allows you to explore the subsurface of the terrain. You can navigate under the terrain's surface or through buildings. A subsurface grid navigation aid appears when you navigate below the terrain, allowing you to navigate the same way as above ground. To access the underground navigation tool, on a navigation tab, in the Navigation Modes group, click Underground Mode. The navigating underground techniques are exactly the same as flying above ground. The most common are drag mode using the mouse navigation, project tree navigation, and on-screen navigation controls. To navigate using any of these methods, please review our tutorial on navigating in a 3D world. The example that I'll be showing you will be using the project tree and mouse navigation methods, looking at underground pipelines for the city of Austin. I showed you where the tool is located, its navigation methods, and an example demonstrating the project tree and mouse navigation methods. This concludes our tutorial on underground navigation. For more information, please refer to Chapter 8, Navigation tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.